Now, I would urge you to pause the video and try this question on your own. Very, very nice question. We have wonderful lessons for you. Further mathematics, that is lessons from Form 1 all the way to Form 3. All the topics, mechanics, we have vectors, we have calculus, probability, permutation and combination, binomial theorem, all the topics. Which of them is a big challenge to you? Kindly call the numbers you are seeing on the screen for a copy of the pen drive. It is very, very affordable. Don't forget, no pain, no gain. Mathematics is not a spectator of sport. The heights reached and kept by great men were not attained by sudden fiber. They, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards in the night. Now, let's see, solve root x minus 1 equal to root of, that's 3x minus 1 minus root of 2x minus 4. So this is a question that we have been given. First, let's rewrite the question. So we have root x minus 1 equal to root 3x minus 1 minus root of 2x minus 4. Now, that's what we have. Now, I want to find x, but this x is in a radical. So what are we supposed to do? It's in a radical. So first, we have to square both sides. Very, very important. So the first thing is we square both sides. So we have root x minus 1. So we square both sides equal to, we have root 3x minus 1 minus root 2x minus 4 all to the power 2. So we square both sides. Very, very important. So clearly over here, this square will cancel the square root. But in this case, we have root 3x minus 1 minus root 2x minus 4 all to the power 2. Now, let's note, you see, if you have a plus b all square, if it is a plus b all square, we expand this. This is the same as what? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Very, very important. And then also, if you have a minus b all square, a minus b all square, and you expand this, this is the same as what? That's a square minus 2ab plus b square. Hence, so this is our a, this is our b. So this is just x minus 1 because the square cancels the square root. Now, a square, our a is this. So we have a square root 3x minus 1 to the power 2 is minus, so it's of the second form. Minus 2ab. What is our a? Our a is root 3x minus 1. And then ab. What is our b? Our b is root 2x minus 4. So you have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So our b, we have root 2x minus 4 all to the power 2. So this one, x minus 1 square root, so you have square a square. That is this one here. So root x minus 1 all square, so this will cancel this. But this is of the form a minus b all square, and a minus b all square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a is the first one, so the first one square minus 2 times the first, and then the second plus the second square. Now from here, what can we see? This is cancelling that. This is also cancelling that. So we have x minus 1 equal to 3x minus 1 minus 2. Now, square root of, now, you see, we have root 3x minus 1 times root 2x minus 4. Now, we know that if you have root a times root b, this is the same as root ab. Very, very important. If you have root a times root b, this is equal to root ab. Hence, if you have root 3x minus 1 times root 2x minus 4, this is the same as that's 3x minus 1, and then we also have 2x minus 4. All of them will be having a common set because your root a times root b is root ab. One set. That's what we have over here. And then plus we have 2x minus 4 because the square cancels the square root. Now from here, let's see. Let's bring all these ones to this side. So you have our x minus 1. Now this is coming, or let's arrange from here. Let's arrange from so x, this moving negative 3x, positive 2x moving, that's negative 2x. And then we have negative 1. This 1 is moving, that's positive 1. This negative 1 moving. Now, this negative 4 moving, that is positive 4. Equal to the ones without the set will be on one side, the one with set will be on the other side. And what we have here, we have negative 2, so it should be there. Negative 2 root of, now let's expand it. See, 3x times 2x, and this is giving us 6x squared. 3x times 4, we have negative 12x, negative 1 times 2x, negative 2x, later negative positive 1 times 4, and this is giving us 4. Now, x minus 3 is that's negative 2x minus 2x, and clearly you have negative 4x, negative 4x. Now, negative 1 plus 1, that's 0, and then plus 4. So we have plus 4 equal to negative 2 square root of, we have 6x squared, negative 2x minus 2x, that's negative 14x, and we have plus 4. We have plus 4. Very, very nice question. Very, very nice question. Now, from here, what can we see? We can divide through with the negative. So we divide here by negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. And when we divide through by the negative 2, so we have negative 4x over negative 2 plus 4 over negative 2 equal to, we have negative 2 root of 6x squared minus 14x plus 4 and over negative 2. Now this and this cancelling, 2 get 1, 2 get 2, 2 get 1, 2 get 2 times, and this cancels that. So we have 2x minus 2 equal to root of 6x squared minus 14x plus 4. We want to find x, but then the sum of the x still in the radical. What do? We square both sides again. So we square both sides. And when you square both sides, what are we going to get? We get 2x minus 2 all square equal to square root of 6x squared minus 14x plus 4 all square. Now what can we see? This is cancelling at that. Now 2x minus 2 all square, it is of the form a minus b all square, which is what? A square minus 2ab plus b squared. So expanding this, we have a square minus 2ab and then plus b squared. And clearly this will be equal to 6x squared minus 14x plus 4. Not 2x all square, so that is 4x squared. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So we have negative 8x, 2 squared, 4 equal to 6x squared minus 14x plus 4. Now from here, what do? We have a quadratic equation, so let everything be on one side. So this everything will come to the side. So we have 4x squared, this moving negative 6x squared, we have negative 8x. Now, negative 14x moving becoming positive, so you have positive 14x and plus 4 minus 4 equals 0. Now this moving here, this already a positive moving, that's negative 4x squared minus 2x squared, and clearly this is negative 2x squared, negative 8x plus 14x, and clearly this will be plus 6x, and this equals 0. 4 minus 4 this is giving us 0. Now, let's see, we have negative 2x squared plus 3 plus 6x equals 0. What's the common factor? Negative 2x is a common factor, so you can factorize negative 2x out. What do you have? You have x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, this time this is giving us this time this is giving us that. So we have two things multiplying equal to 0. We use the now factor principle. Either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. So we have negative 2x equals 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Working for x, and clearly here when divided by 2, we have x equals 0 or x is equal to 3. That's a very, very nice question. But then we are not done. We have to check. Is it the two answers, that is x equals 0 or x equal to 3, which satisfy the equation, or only one of them? We would check, but I want to go over again so that the weak student, I have the weak student in mind, so that the weak student, you understand. So let's go over. Now the question says solve. We have root x minus 1 equal to root of 3x minus 1 minus root of 2x minus 4. Now from here, what do we do? So we write the question again. Now what you are looking for is in a radical. So how can we eliminate the radical? We square both sides. That's what we do. We square both sides. So we square here and then we square here. That's what we've done. But this one, the right answer is 2 times. So we put everything together and then we square. Now, clearly the square will cancel the square. But over here, this is of the form a minus b to the power 2. A minus b to the power 2 minus 2ab plus b squared. So here a squared minus 2ab. So minus 2ab minus 2ab and then plus b squared. That's what we have here. Now the square will cancel the square root here. The square will cancel the square root here. Now this one is what we have over here. This one, that's what we have here. But this 2ab. Now if you have root a times root b, is the same as what? Root ab. So over here, this time this, becoming that we have just one common set. And this is cancelling that. Now from here, we rearrange so that the one without the set will be on one side. The one with the set will be on one side. So this moving here, it has moved here, and this one is over here. Simplifying, we have this, and this is equal to this. We can see negative 2 here, so we divide it by negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, and that's what we have done over here. And this is giving us this equation. We want to find x. So what is the x is still in the radical. So what do? We square both sides, and after squaring both sides, this what we have still is of the form a minus b, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. It was done. It has been simplified. Everything. We had our x to be equal to 0 or x equal to 3. So if these two answers, x equal to 0, x equal to 3, we are going to check if it is we choosing that is the two solutions satisfy the equation, or only just one satisfies the equation. Now we want to check which of the solutions satisfy. Is it x equal to 0 or x equal to 3? So first, when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 0. Now, so on the left hand side, when x is 0, you see this is giving us, so you have 0 minus 1. And this, is it the same as, let's see this one. What do you have here? You see 3 times 0. So you have 3 times 0 minus 1 minus, this one is giving us 2 times 0 minus 4. And this is giving us negative, root of negative equal to root of negative 1 minus root of negative 4. And clearly, it's not the same. It's not the same. And even this is undefined, because root of a negative value is undefined. Therefore, x is not equal to 0. Now what about when x is 3? When x is 3, when x is 3. Now let's see, we have root. What is x here? Root 3 minus 1 equal to root. X is 3, so 3 minus 1 minus root of 2. What is x? 3 minus 4. 3 minus 1, and this is giving us root 2. Is this one equal to 3 times 3, that's 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So we have root 8 minus root 2 times 3, 6 minus 4, we have root 2. And this one is equal, you see, root 8, this can be expressed as 4 times 2. So we have root 4 times root 2, which is 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 minus root 2. Now 2 root 2 minus root 2, and clearly we have root 2. So we have the left-hand side being equal to the left-hand side. Now root 2 here, root 2 here. Therefore, the only solution is x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is the only solution. X equal to 3 is the only solution. Don't forget that this video, together with other videos, are available on the pen drive for sale. Further mathematics, further or elective maths, everything, all the topics from Form 1 all the way to Form 3. I've solved a lot of questions. I have the weak students in mind. It has been arranged topic by topic. Explain all the concepts, everything you need to know for you to pass your exams. Everything is on it.